Hi everyone, my name is Harkaprabha Mahata, register number UR15CA051. Today I am doing my 6th data structures lab experiment, which is linear and binary searching. Linear and binary searching are both searching techniques to find an element in an array. Now we'll see the coding of each searching. This is the coding for linear searching method. First we'll declare the header files, then the global variable n, and then we'll define the len search method with the parameters a, which is an array, and key variable, which is of integer type. Then we'll declare a variable c when we'll assign it to 0. Then we'll start a loop from 0 and it will go till n and increment by 1 each time. Now we'll check a condition if a of I equal to key, or that is the element we are searching for is found. We'll display that element is found at ith position and increment the c by 1 in doing c++. Then we'll check if c equal to 0, the element is not found. Then we'll write the main method. In main method, we'll just ask the user to enter the size of the array, and it will be entered in variable n. Then an array arr, which is of size n, is declared, and a variable k is assigned as 0. And then we'll ask the user to enter the elements of the array, and the elements of the array are entered in a loop which in arr of I. Next, we'll ask the user to enter the element which is to be searched. The user will enter that element in K and will call the len search method passing the array arr and the key and the variable K. Now we'll execute the program to see if it's working correctly or not. First, it's asking the size of the array. We'll give it 5. Enter the elements of array. Now, after entering the elements of the array, it is asking the element which is to be searched. So, we'll search for element 45. It's showing us that the element is found at 30th position, which is here. Now, again, we'll execute the code. This time also, I'm entering the size as 5. And again, after entering the elements, they are asking the element to search for. We'll enter 67. As the 67 is not present in the array, it will show us a message telling that the element is not found in the array. Next, we'll see binary search. In binary search, again we'll declare the header files at the beginning, then global variable n. Then we'll define the bin search method, in which we'll declare an array a, which is an integer type, and a variable key, which is also of integer type. Then we'll declare the variables l, which is equal to 0, r, which is assigned to n minus 1, and m, which is l plus r whole by 2. Then we'll start a while loop, and the condition of the loop is while l less than equal to r. Inside the loop, we'll check if a of m equal to b. That is, if the element is found. If it is found, we'll display a message telling that element found at mth position in the array, and we'll write exit method. If and then again another condition checking if a of m is less than key, then we'll assign the l as m plus 1. And again, if a of m is greater than key, we'll assign the r variable as m minus 1, and then we'll again calculate m by l plus r by whole by 2, and then we'll close the loop. And outside the loop, we'll write a display message telling that element not found in the array. Then we'll write the main method. In the main method, first we are going to ask the user to enter the size of the array, and he'll enter it in n. Then we'll declare an array which is of size n and integer type, and a variable k which is assigned to 0. Then we'll ask the user to enter the elements in a sorted manner. Binary search In binary search, the element must be in sorted manner to find the required key element. So then we'll start the loop, which will take the inputs of the array, and then after we'll ask the user to enter the element that has to be searched in the array, and that is to be input taken as input in k. And then we'll call the bin search method which has by passing parameters ARR, which is the array, and the variable k. Now we'll execute this code. Okay, the size of the array is 5. Now I'll enter the elements. So after entering the elements, it's asking me to enter the element that has to be searched. We'll search 23. So it's telling us the element is found at 1st position in the array. As we can see, it is here. And now we'll run this code again for different. So we'll enter the size again as 5, the elements. This time we are going to search for 67. So as 67 is not present in the array, it's showing us a message telling that element is not found in the array. So we can see that both the programs are functioning correctly and my coding is correct. So this is the end of this video. Thank you.